Today, I'm going to show you how to select multiple messages in under 3 minutes. Let's dive right in. First things first, open up Telegram Desktop and head into the chat you want to clean up or export from. Now, instead of clicking blindly, look at the message you want to start with. Hover your mouse over the first message in the block you want to select. Right-click on that message to open up the Options menu. Click on Select on the list of options. As soon as you click Select, you'll notice a small checkbox pop up next to every single message in that chat window. Now, all you have to do is simply click on any other message you want to include in your selection. A check mark will appear next to each one. If you want to select a long, continuous block of messages, you can hold down your Shift key and click a message further down the list, and Telegram will automatically highlight everything in between. Once you've got your messages highlighted, look at the top action bar, or the top menu. You have a few powerful options here. Forward. You can send that entire selected batch to another chat, a saved messages folder, or a group with just one click. Delete. If you want to clear out clutter, you can wipe them all out simultaneously. Clear selection. If you mess up, just hit the Escape key or click the X to start over. And there you go! Selecting and managing multiple messages on Telegram Desktop is that simple once you know the right clicks. If this quick guide saved you some time, hit that like button, and I'll catch you in the next tutorial. See ya!